I have fulfilled childhood dream that I thought was totally impossible, and to have lived it today, having my family here with me, sharing this moment felt even more special. Feels, anything between magical, surreal, and, you want to say just, wow. I lived my dream, and I'm trying to say to my loved ones and the next generation, live your dream and do it with really humility and say, hey, I could fail. It's okay if I fail. I just will get up and try again, but always really, aim for the stars with everything it means. Being the best that you can be, care about others, because I believe that with all the talent in the world, in the next 20 years, your generation, the future generation, you'll do so much more than this. This experience is really about everyone believing in themselves, never giving up on their dreams, and I hope that space means a better world. So let's all continue to work together as a human race to make the world better. That's what I hope.